Hi guys, it's Rich here at Enhanced Car Audio and Security. Just want to show you the operation of the Autowatch 695 alarm. It's currently fitted to this 2023 Mercedes Sprinter based motorhome. So for test purposes, the vehicle is currently unlocked. We are going to use the original Mercedes key now for day-to-day driving. So lock and unlock. So lock button, you get one beep and the vehicle will lock to tell you the alarm is armed. Unlock, and you'll get a double beep to tell the alarm's disarmed. So the vehicle's now unlocked. What I really want to talk to you about though is how to use the habitation area while keeping the rest of the vehicle secure. So for example, we're now pulled up on site. You want to get in the back of the motorhome and get yourself ready for sleep. So rear door is open, front doors are still open. You now enter the rear of the motorhome. You can use the Mercedes key. So you want to push lock once and then lock again. So what that will do is that will secure the alarm outside and also isolate the interior sensors that are in the front of the cabin at the top of the windscreen. So you can now move freely within the vehicle without risking setting the alarm off. And the front doors are locked, habitation doors locked because you've locked that from inside, and now you can sleep securely inside. So first thing in the morning, what we're now going to do is we're now going to use the Autowatch fob. So as you can see here, the Autowatch fob, top two buttons are arm and disarm. We're going to use the disarm button. So you'll get a double beep from the alarm to tell you the alarm is disarmed. The front doors are still locked. And now you can exit through your habitation door, like so, without setting the alarm off. So you're now going to go away for the day, lock the habitation door from outside, and now we're going to use the arm button on the Autowatch fob. So one push, single beep from the alarm, vehicle secured at the rear and still secured at the front, so you haven't touched the front doors at all. If you get any questions or there's anything else that you need help with, please give us a call, 01622 737393, or give us a shout at caraudiokent.co.uk. Thank you.